Alright guys, today we're out in Birmingham and we've got this BMW 120D. It's a 2007. The guy's had the car about a month now. He's a repeat customer of UK Carbon Cleaning actually. He used to be based in London. He's moved up to Birmingham now, and he actually gets every vehicle that he owns, he gets carbon cleaned. So today we go with our 3-stage carbon clean for preventive reasons, and obviously we're just going to give it a good flush out, probably go for a test drive later on if he's got time, and then obviously hopefully he notices a few benefits as well. But yeah, this is a BMW 120D 2007 3-stage carbon clean.